In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a very simple exercise that will help you to draw straight lines. And the trick of this exercise is that you practice with it. And the more you practice, the better your lines will be. Okay, so let's take a look. The first part of this exercise is that you have your pencil, you have your paper, and you just start drawing lines, long lines. And you start on the left and you try to draw a line which is parallel to the edge of your paper. And in the beginning, all the lines will be very shaky and not so beautiful, but the more you do this exercise, the better the lines will be. So the next line is parallel to this line, and you try to look at the line that you are drawing, and at the same time you look at the previous line. Okay, so the next line will be parallel to this line, and you need to do it not from your wrist, but you move your whole arm from your shoulder and you try to breathe normally. Don't hold your breath, just keep breathing and keep drawing the lines. And so you can try to draw them a little bit faster. And try to keep the distance between the lines more or less the same. Okay, so the next exercise is actually exactly the same, but or you can turn your paper, or you can just practice on this side of the paper. Okay, so we start here, and again you move your whole arm from your shoulder. And I think this is a little bit easier. Or you can rotate your paper and draw it from here, on this side. Okay, and it's very important that you don't draw lines like this. Some people do something like this, and they try to create a long line. Don't do this, please. If you want to practice with straight lines and you want to learn how to draw straight lines, then you need to practice like this. So one long line. And if it's very difficult for you in the beginning, you can draw a line like this and then stop and then go further. Okay? But try to draw one long line. And breathe normally. Okay, and there is also a little trick before you start drawing very beautiful straight lines. You can use a trick for your sketches, and I use it sometimes too. The trick is actually very simple. You use your little finger, the pinky, to draw the lines. So you hold it against the edge of the paper, and you should be very careful with this exercise, because the paper can be very sharp. It can cut your hand. So you hold it against the paper and you draw a line like this. And it's perfectly parallel to the edge of the paper. Okay, and if you need to draw a line which is perpendicular to this edge, you just rotate your paper and you do actually exactly the same. You can use it like this, or you can use it like this. This is maybe a little bit more steady. Okay, and then you also draw a very straight line, okay? And then sometimes you need a line in the middle, for example. Then you just hold your pencil like this, more at the end of the pencil, and then you draw a line here. But it's quite difficult to draw a line here. Normally we don't need it, but sometimes we do. Okay, so this is the exercise and the trick, and I hope it will help you draw straighter lines and make more beautiful sketches. Thanks for watching. Make sure to share in the comments what you loved about this video. Give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.